What up, y'all? This is the unboxing, no review. DJI Mavic Mini combo. Right now it's what, 1:56 a.m. I just did a double. That's why I'm opening this thing up late. Yeah. What's up, social media? I'm back. I took a break so I could be lazy. Yeah. Unboxing of the Mavic Mini, no review. If you want to see a review, get somebody else's video. I'm just opening the thing. I can't even fly it right now. Not that it's too late, but I'll fly it Saturday. I'll be going to Brooklyn. Yeah. So if you want to know about the specs, flight time, camera quality, prop guards, chargers, Google it. A million videos will come up. I done seen like 100. DJI Mavic. Oh shit. Oh shoot. Mavic Mini. If you want to know how to, damn, this thing is small. Got tape on it. I don't even want to take nothing off yet. That'll be another video, cause it's late. I'll do that tomorrow. This thing is light. Well, battery's not in it, but it's light. Yeah, I guess when you unfold the arms, you gotta do it slowly. I heard somebody say, don't let it go. Let it emote. So what's the flight time? Wah wah, wah wah, wah 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 wah. Screw. That's cool. Oh boy. I'm gonna do an unboxing, I guess, tomorrow. Extra props. Who got the props? Who got the props? The rhythm and buckshot. Yeah, boy. This is something else. Charger for the batteries. It's charger. Oh, hold on. Yeah. What's this? I guess this is the batteries. Oh, wires, cables. More wires and cables. More wires and cables. I'll open it tomorrow. I'm back. This is part 1, I guess. Maybe I'll make part 2. boy. Oh, the battery time. Wah, 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 wah. The camera. Wah, 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 wah. Watch another video. Don't watch my video. This is nice one. Think nice, bye. What else is in there? This is the guards. It looks like the guards. And the sensor thing, I don't really care about sensors because, oh God, I don't really use sensors. Most of the time I take the sensors off because I'm flying through crazy shit, trees, whatever, close to stuff. So I mean crazy stuff. I didn't see shit, y'all. Tiger Woods, y'all. It's all good, y'all. It's all good, y'all. Tiger Woods, y'all. This is, I don't know. This is the Sharjah. As you can see, I don't know how to open it. Oh man, I just cut my nails. They made it childproof. Can't get it open. DJI. Oh yeah, shout out to DJI New York. Shout out to my wife for picking this up for me. She works close by the DJI store. I can't say her name because I have more than one wife, so I don't want to get in trouble. Know what I mean? Know what I'm saying? Know what I mean? Know what I'm saying? And this gotta be the batteries. This gotta be the batteries. And then I plug it up and go. Yep, 3. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. Yeah. Maybe I'll start back flying. It's crazy because I sold a Mavic 1 because I didn't fly it in over a year. And then I was like, the 2's gonna come out, I'm gonna get the 2. But my dumb ass, instead of getting the 2, I brought a Spark used to go to Africa, Ghana. Because I'm like, I don't want them to, I only had the Phantom at the time. And I was like, I don't want to buy the 2 just for one vacation. And then they take it. But it's funny, I went out there with the Spark. I only flown it once, 3 batteries. And they didn't take it. So I brought the Spark and only flown it twice. Flew it twice because first time to test it out, and the second time was in Ghana. But yeah, this is just me unboxing this thing, and I'll do a better job tomorrow. I'm tired. So that's me. Unboxing it. Good night.